Hello, this is IncidentFlow, an escalation agent that detects ticket spikes, drafts a brief with Gemini, and never acts without a human approving it first. Let me show you it exactly running on Google Cloud, not just slides. Here's the Google Cloud service itself, IncidentFlow Approve, deployed in Asia Southeast 1, currently serving traffic. This isn't a local demo, it's a live, publicly reachable URL. Support teams either escalates too late and blow SLAs, or an agent escalates on its own with no review and becomes a liability the moment it's wrong. So incident flow's whole design is in one loop. Detect, decide, human approves, act, log. And that middle step is never skipped. So this is our live approval app. Here's a real pending escalations, and in audit log and history, a billing category ticket spike, 42 tickets against 18 baseline, 2.33x ratio, drafted by Gemini a moment ago. Nothing happens until I click this approve or reject button. So let me approve this request. Now it is being approved and it is showing audit log and history. Here are all the requests that is being approved or being rejected. Now let's run our act.py file in PowerShell terminal. And here it is in the audit tree: decision, reviewer, and permanent record, and also the person who have approved it, and also the recommended target and the document ID of the approval. Now let me show you the GitHub repository of our project. Everything you just saw is 4 small scripts: detect, decide, approve, act, all public on GitHub with a README covering setup and deployment. Under the hood, Gemini via the Google GenAI SDK, Firestore for the audit trail, Cloud Run for hosting, Python throughout. Next up is investigate.py, which pulls similar past incidents for extra context before drafting a brief. Incident flow built by Team Cloud Catalyst, live link and repo all are on the screen and in the submission. Thanks for watching.